Do you know more than 90% of placement exams and computer tests include aptitude questions? And the surprising part, most students fail here, but not you, because in this course you will master aptitude step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to CodePlay. Today we are starting the complete Aptitude Preparation Series designed for placement, competitive exams and skill tests. This series will include basic concepts, problem-solving tricks, practical examples and everything explained in this video with simple and easy to follow way. So let's start.
Okay, let's go.
So this will be the introductory part of this series. In this video, we will be covering what is aptitude, what are the types of aptitude, what are the mistakes we shouldn't have to do, and what is the complete roadmap we are going to follow in this series. So let's start. Now, let's talk about an important question. Why aptitude? Why do companies and exams focus so much on it? The very first thing is it is essential requirement. Almost 90% of placement exams and computer tests include aptitude as the very first screening round. If you clear this, only then you move forward. The second thing is career gateway. Most students don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because of poor strategy and time management. That's why learning the right approach is the key to success. The last thing is universal requirement. Aptitude is not limited to one exam or one company. It's essential everywhere for placement, competitive exams, and even job interviews worldwide. So mastering aptitude is like opening the gateway to your career opportunities. So, what exactly is aptitude? In simple words, aptitude is the ability to think, calculate, and reason quickly. It's usually divided into three main sections. The first one is quantitative aptitude, the second one is logical reasoning, and the third one is data interpretation. In quantitative aptitude, this includes math-based problems like percentage, profit and loss, time and work, and many more. In logical reasoning, here we solve puzzles, recognize patterns, and handle coding and decoding type questions. In data interpretation, reading and analyzing graphs, charts, and real-world data problems are together comes in data interpretation. Together, these areas test your problem-solving speed and accuracy, which is why aptitude is such an important skill. Now let's quickly understand the structure of aptitude test. The first one is the format. Most tests are multiple choice with four options, but the tricky part is there is negative marking. So accuracy is just as important as speed. And since there is always time pressure, we need to select questions smartly. The next one is duration. Most aptitude exams last between 60 to 120 minutes. That means on average you get just 1 to 2 minutes per question. So quick decision making, speed and accuracy balance are absolute crucial. Finally, the difficulty. Questions are usually start easy, then move to medium and then difficult levels. Easy questions help you build confidence. Medium questions test your concepts. And hard questions one separate top performer from the rest. That's why preparation is not just about practice, but about strategy. Knowing which question to attempt and which one is to skip. So, now let's talk about some common mistakes students make during the aptitude test. The first mistake is spending too much time on difficult questions. Remember, every question carries equal marks. So getting stuck on one problem can cost you multiple easy ones. The second mistake is not reading question carefully and jumping to assumptions. A small misread can completely change the answer. So, what's the smart solution? Skip tough questions and return later. And follow the golden rule. Read twice and solve once. This way, you save time, avoid silly mistake, and maximize your score. Here is the complete roadmap of our aptitude course. Step 1 is introduction, where we cover strategy, time management basics, and common mistakes during the aptitude exam. The second one is quantitative aptitude. There are 21 topics in quantitative aptitude. We will be covering all the important math concepts in it. The third one is reasoning, and there are 10 topics that sharpen logical and analytical thinking. The fourth one is data interpretation, in which we will cover topics on graph, charts, and data analysis. And the last one is practice. We will practice mock test and final preparation tests to get exam ready. With this structured approach, you will go from basic to advanced problem solving step by step and be fully prepared for placement and competitive exams. That's all for today's session. I hope this helped you understand the common mistake in aptitude and how to avoid them. For more tips, tricks, and updates, make sure you follow us on Instagram at CodePlay Official. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is CodePlay where learning feels like playing. See you in the next video.